Hello boss, we are custom touch display manufacturer located in Shenzhen, China. Today we are making 200 pieces 21.5-inch open frame touch monitor. We can see that all touch screen 21.5-inch touch screen with the plastic frame had been stick together, and we put in our dust-free workshop with the LCD together and make no dust. Okay. After that, our workers here are assembling the 200 pieces 21.5-inch open frame touch monitor with the AD board, controller, and also the inverter and the metal case together assembly. After assembly, we will push the open frame touch monitor on the shift and to the aging test room, high temperature aging test room for hours. Now we show you the detail of our 21.5-inch open frame touch monitor. This is a 21.5-inch open frame touch monitor. We can see there are plastic here. Okay, it's a little heavier. I must be careful. And it can be assembled like this kind of way. We can push it from the back to the front and make sure the touch screen with the cabinet in the same face. Okay, it's flat, and we can see. I must be careful. Oh, we can see that there are DVI, VGA for the display, and there is a USB for touch function. Okay, there is DC. Oh, there is a interface. It's similar like Ethernet. It's quite a little special. Okay, the customer required this kind of interface, and then we can assemble like their VESA hole. The VESA hole here you can assemble like this kind of way, and also we can see their side assembly hole. You can use the bracket in the four side and assemble it. Okay, this is all 21.5-inch open frame touch monitor. It is a PCAP and 10-point multi-touch. Are you looking for the open frame touch monitor? Contact us, please. Oh, thank you.